Have you seen this horseshoe with an exclamation point in it on your dashboard? That's not just a suggestion from your car, that's actually a warning that your tires are running low. Most people ignore this warning, but what they don't realize is that running on low tires affects your mileage, it ruins your tires, and it can actually cause a blowout, which would be an extreme emergency. Let me give you some good news. In just 1 minute, I'm going to show you dad style how to check the air pressure in your tires. And here's a little dad trick for you. This little gadget that you can get at any gas station or any auto parts store, you can put it right in your glove box, keep it forever, and it's going to tell you exactly where your air pressure is at any point in time. Step 1. Find the recommended PSI. Open your driver's side door and look at the sticker inside. That's the magic number. It might say something like 32 PSI. Ignore what's on the tire itself. That's the max pressure. That's not what you need. Follow the instructions on the side of your door, right by the driver's side, and that number is going to be what you want to shoot for. Step 2. Grab a tire gauge. This little tool costs a couple bucks at any gas station or auto parts store. Toss one in the glove box and you'll look like a pro every time. Step 3. Check the tire when it's cold. Do this when your car hasn't been driven for a few hours. Hot tires give you a false reading, kind of like weighing yourself after Thanksgiving dinner. When you measure the pounds per square inch in your tires when they're cold, it will be accurate every single time. Step 4. Remove the valve cap. Unscrew the little black caps on the valve stem of each tire. Press the gauge on straight and don't worry about the little hiss at the beginning, that's normal. Just make sure that you move that gauge around so that it's square to the opening of the valve, and you'll hear that hiss go away. At that point, the number for your tire will pop right up. If you find that the number on the gauge is too low underneath that number that's on the side of your door panel, don't worry about it. You can always add pressure. And in the instances where you find that the number on the gauge is too high or higher than the number that's on the sticker on your driver's side door, don't worry about it. The dad trick is if you turn that little measurement tool so that you start to hear a little hiss of air, that's actually letting air pressure out, and you can do that just a little bit until you get to the proper number. So here's your final dad trick. Make sure you check all 4 tires plus the spare. You definitely want to know where the spare tire is in your car, so this is just a good exercise anyways. I usually check all 4 tires of my car once a month. So if this saved you from driving on some sad and floppy tires, definitely give us a subscribe. I'd love to also give you some more tips so you can benefit from some future videos. If there's anything that you have as far as questions on your car, little tips, tricks, hacks, anything that you wish your parents taught you, let me know down in the comments below and I'll do a future video on it.